Hey everybody. So going into week 3, you should have chosen your topic for your prenatal health assignment. And I'm going to show you on the library's website how to do some research for your prenatal health report. You do need to have 3 sources, 3 scholarly sources, and you can do your research from home using your student ID number on the library's website. So you just pop over here to cerritos.edu, click on library. Then you'll click on research databases. If you're working from home, you will need to log in using your student number and your birth date as your password. So I typically use EBSCOhost. So you just scroll down until you see EBSCOhost. Click on that. Oh, yep, here I need to log in. So once you log in and you click on EBSCOhost, you're going to hit Select All, Continue, and then you'll type in your search phrase. So let's say I want to do cigarette smoke. And prenatal development. Hit search. It will pull up all of your references for you. And I'll even show you how to do the works cited page. So let's see, that first one looks like it's in Russian, so we'll skip that one. Scroll down. I'm looking for one that has the, here we go. In utero cigarette smoke affects allergic airway disease. So whenever you see PDF full text, you can click on that, and it's going to pull up the whole article just like it looked in the magazine or the journal article. So I might read this, and if I decide I want to use it, you have to put all of your resources on a works cited page. So you just go over here to the little button that says Cite and click on that. And then I asked you to use the MLA style, so you just scroll down until you see MLA works cited, and there is your citation. So all you have to do is copy that and then paste it onto your works cited page, which is the very last page after your essay for your assignment. So that is how to do some research on the library's homepage. I do encourage you to use the library databases because you know that it'll be scholarly research. If you use Google, you may not get reputable information. If you do use websites, make sure you look for one that ends in .org, like the American Medical Association.org, because you know it'll be more reputable information. So if you have any questions at all on your prenatal health report, just holler. Otherwise, I look forward to reading them. Thank you. Bye.